How's it going, people? Welcome back to my brand new tutorial. Today I will show you how we can get the only working Pokemon Go spoofer for both iOS and Android devices. You can see all the new additions that we will have right here, guys. It will be a game changer. So let me not waste your time anymore. Let me guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied. So people, now I will open up Pokemon Go for you to see that it is not the same game anymore, because on the left side, all of the new additions, the joystick, even now the teleportation is implemented, guys. Everything is here and changed for you to play Pokemon Go just like never before. So let me show you how. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for gospoofer.com. Right there, guys, we will have a lot of new additions. Joystick control, auto walk, anti-ban, GPS teleportations, etc, etc. You will see it just in a very bit. This is all just a glimpse of it. And here we are. So select all of these additions that you want to see in Pokemon Go, just like you did earlier on my phone right here, guys. So now wait for the progress to be loaded up. Do not close this page. It is very important. We will be one step closer into completing this whole process. Just after that, we will finish this right here button by clicking on it literally, and once again click here, and you have been now redirected to the final step of this whole process. So what do you have here? You have two options. The first one will be to complete questionnaires, which is a faster way, and you will get them completed within 2 questionnaires being completed. Of course, just answer some simple questions and that is it. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps from the official App Store or Google Play Store. Not only download them, but also do what it says from you in the description. For example, Zap VPN, install plus open it up. Or Copper, install plus register, something simple like that. So follow those instructions, guys. These steps are very simple and it is efficient. You saw the results on my phone. You can get it on your very own if you follow and do each and every step exactly like I did right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.